well, folks, kind of teased you about this in the last video. I'm bringing you guys a new machine that I feel the internet has needed for a while. So we were down at Whalen Speed last weekend. I think it was last weekend, wasn't it? Kyle and I, we were doing some stuff over there. And, we decided to bring home this Pro R that they had. And, well, this Pro R just isn't any normal Pro R. This one's got, well, a little something that I think a lot of people have been looking for since the Pro R came out. Let's go take a look at this thing. So, Pro R, I mean, what do you think about a Pro R?
I've never rode in one.
Oh, really? Never?
Never been in one.
Oh.
I mean, they look cool. They're 4-cylinder, so I know they can make some power.
Yeah. This one especially. Let's go look at this thing. Yeah, so this is it. It just looks like a, normal dark blue Pro R until you come back here. And you see that it's got the the K&T Performance and Whalen Speed R&D turbo kit for the Pro R. Oh, yeah, this thing's a beast.
Oh, it makes like, what, 410 horse on 93?
Yeah, so, yeah, on Whalen's hub dyno, it made 410 horsepower on 93 octane. It's got 12-pound wastegate springs in it right now. And you guys might be asking, why do we have this thing? They said this.
They made poor decisions.
You could say that too, but they said, maybe they didn't actually say this. Maybe this is just me saying this. If there's one guy to test out the machine, it's Rich Rules. If it's gonna, be a disappointment, he's gonna figure it out. If it's gonna break, he's gonna break it.
Yeah, hopefully no windows.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna have any issues like that. So this kit is, very nice piece. This has a Precision 55-58 turbo on it. Precision, I think that's a 44 millimeter wastegate, intercooled. No bed on it right now. I mean, I just needed to have it when we were over there, so we didn't really give them any time to put it back together. We had to go, we had to get before they changed their mind. So, yeah, we kind of got in an interesting condition, but they have the exhaust all Cerakoted and stuff. The muffler setup on it, very cool. It sounds really good. You guys will hear that in a minute. And I drove it around here. This is the building. You guys haven't seen the outside of the building. It's pretty nice out here now. Just kidding, there's a bunch of junk over there. But it rips. I mean, you can't really stay in it very long because when the turbo comes on, it's a lot. It's a lot.
Like 400 horse on these tires.
Yeah. I think, why don't you go fire it up? Let's just hear this thing real quick. Yeah, it sounds really good.
It sounds a lot like a car.
Yeah.
I mean, it is.
Yeah, James said it sounds like a Evo 10 kind of.
Right, but this is the 4-cylinder with the turbo.
Yeah. So this has a STM primary and secondary on it for the clutch setup. The engagement on it is super smooth. It's like 2,000 RPM, so I mean, it's nothing crazy, nothing drag setup. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of things with this. It's gonna be, trail ridden, probably take it to the dunes. We're gonna do some racing with it, obviously. Actually, we're gonna race tomorrow with it. So,
with some paddles.
We're gonna put this thing through its paces for sure. So, why don't we just take it for a little drive? What do you think about that?
I'm down.
Okay.
Listen to some music.
I'm trying to make a couple pennies on this.
Yeah, we need whatever to not put it on its side.
Track mode for sure.
Okay.
Or Baja.
Are we Baja right now?
Yeah, I feel we are.
Pretty much.
as it turns out, we weren't even really able to let this thing stretch its legs. I mean, it didn't even get up off the chair.
As soon as the turbo spooled, it just blew the tires
Yeah.
off and you had to slam on the brakes.
Yeah, we need to find some more open space to test this thing. So I'm sure some of you guys will be asking, like, literally, why do we have this? I mean, I didn't buy it. It's not my machine. This is Whalen Speed R&D's machine. They've been doing tuning on it and testing the kit. And literally, they just said, hey, go rip this thing, see how it does. So we're here to put it through its paces. So with that, we're going to be working with HP Tuners. They're sponsoring me this year. Big shout out to them. So this is their MPVI3. This machine has a factory ECU in it, and with HP Tuners, you're able to tune it. So this is the interface to go from the MPVI to the factory Polaris diagnostic port, and you just plug it in there. Boom. We've got this ProLink cable on here, so we'll be able to integrate our wideband O2 sensor into this to monitor the air-fuel ratio as we're ripping it and sending John some datas and stuff. Yep. So, yeah, big shout out to HP Tuners. They make a great tuning suite. Been using that for, well, on my ZL1, that thing rips. You've been using it for years. Yeah, good stuff. But yeah, we're just here to test this thing and rip it. So just let us know what you guys think we should do with this thing, where we should take it, what you want to see done with it.
No donuts.
Yeah, we're not doing donuts with it. Learned a lesson about a year ago about that. So yeah, just give us some suggestions on where we should take the Pro R. I've got a couple ideas in mind. We're going to be taking it to a drag race tomorrow. That should be pretty fun. A couple other places that are coming up too. But comment below where we should take the Pro R, what we should do with it, what you guys want to see done with it. I don't know how long we have this thing. TBD. We can probably ask for an extension. We'd probably get it if you guys come up with something really cool that we should do with it. So let us know. And I think that's about it for this video. So just wanted to introduce you guys to this new thing and rip it around a little bit. Hear some turbo noises, see some zooms, and that's about it. So appreciate your guys' support in this matter. A few big projects coming up that I'm excited for. You guys will see those soon. See you in a couple days. Have a great night.